We often help people to dissolve domestic partnerships. We've been doing that for years. People's lives grow together and they have assets together. They're not married, they own a house together, and we can utilize our other areas of law and the skills and traits we have from our family law practice to help people to dissolve domestic partnerships. One of the greatest examples we have, which often is the case, and we have quite a few cases like this, is where people file what's called a petition to partition. And to file a petition to partition, the facts go something like this. Two people get together in a relationship, they purchase a home together. They're both equal owners. They own it as what we call tenants in common, which means that if one were to pass, their half would go to some other heir or other person, or they own it as joint tenants, which means if one of them were to pass, their share goes to the other co-owner. They live together in this home for many years, they're joint owners. Perhaps one moves out and the other continues to own and maintain it, and years pass by and it comes back to having to sell this house. Or maybe the person living in the house doesn't want to sell the house. We can bring forth an action, a petition to partition, with either the family and probate court or the land court for the division of that asset. We're drawing from our family law experiences as well as our real estate background and our litigation skills to handle these cases. And what that does is puts us in a very special situation where we can draw from 3 areas of the law that we've been practicing for over 20 years to give our clients the best possible outcome and to place them in the best position. If we're going to enter into a petition to partition, we can draw from our real estate skills and team members who are real estate agents, brokers, appraisers to help come to an agreement to sell that house and divide those assets in the most equitable manner. Most people don't realize that if you're in a domestic partnership and you own assets together, you do have rights. While Massachusetts doesn't have a per se common law marriage and there's no right to potential alimony or the division of marital assets, any jointly owned assets should be divided in an equitable manner. And we have courts of equity that we can plead to help people to divide those assets in a fair and equitable manner. And we've handled countless cases of people on a regular basis that are owning co-property together, that are severing their relationship and really need our help, and we can help them to do that. We handle cases like that all the time. So matters that involve relationships of unwed people, domestic partnerships, are an area of the law that we specialize in and can draw from our other areas of the law to deliver the best possible outcome.